Hey guys, today we are still working on beginning sounds, okay? And remember, our lessons are split up into 3 sections. I do, we do, you do, okay? During the I do section, you're gonna listen to me, okay? What are we gonna do during the I do section? Excellent, yes, you're gonna listen to me. Okay, so let's do the I do. Remember, you're listening. Here we go. Giraffe, table, tent. Listen again for those beginning sounds. Giraffe, table, tent. Table and tent have the same beginning sound. Their beginning sound is t. Remember? Beginning sound is the sound at the beginning of the word, okay? So both of these start with t. Awesome. Okay, we are going to scroll down to we do. And during we do, what happens? Right, we do it together, okay? So I'm going to say the words out loud first, and then you are going to say them with me. Here we go. Tire, zebra, toothbrush. Okay, say them with me. Tire, zebra, toothbrush. Which two have the same beginning sound? That's right, tire and toothbrush, right? What is the beginning sound? Excellent. T is the beginning sound. All right. And we're scrolling down. Okay, I'm going to read these first. Tractor, vest, toaster. Okay, let's read them together. Tractor, vest, toaster. Which two have the same beginning sound? Yes, tractor and toaster. Okay. What is the beginning sound? That's right. T is the beginning sound. All right, last one we're going to do together here. Me first. Carrot, towel, triangle. Okay, let's do them together. Carrot, towel, triangle. Which two have the same beginning sound? That's right. Towel and triangle have the same beginning sound. Good job, guys. Okay, now we are scrolling down to the you do section, okay? What happens during this section? That's right, you do it, okay? All right, so this is a picture of a girl and her name is Tammy. What did Tammy lose? That's right, a tooth, right? So I am going to be saying 2 words, and I want you to tell me if those words have the same beginning sounds, okay? So I want you to listen. If they have the same beginning sounds, I want you to say yes or give me a thumbs up. If they have different beginning sounds, they're not the same, you're going to give me a no and a thumbs down, okay? So listen, here's your first couple of words. Tom, Bob. Do those have the same beginning sounds? No, they do not. Next words. Tooth, top. Do those have the same beginning sounds? Yeah, they do. Good job. Okay, next words. Tag, tiger. Do those have the same beginning sounds? They do. Good job. Last pair. Tall, tap. What about those? They do. Good job. All right. So I want you to repeat the word Tammy. Go for it. And repeat the word tooth. Excellent. All right, and I want you to circle on your paper. I want you to circle Tammy. And I want you to circle her tooth. Good job, guys. Kids, parents, if you are looking for something extra to do, try telling a story about Tammy and identify all of the words that have the beginning sound t in it, okay? All right, that's all for today.